In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your lunch status in Slack for 2025. Whether you're stepping out for a quick meal or taking a leisurely lunch break, updating your Slack status ensures that your team knows your current availability. It's a simple yet effective way to keep communication crystal clear within your work environment. First things first, you'll want to open the Slack desktop app or log into Slack through your browser. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you'd like to update your status. If you have multiple workspaces, double check that you're in the correct one, as setting your status is specific to each workspace. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner of your Slack interface where your profile picture resides. Click on your profile picture and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From there, select the option that says Set Status. Now you have the opportunity to either choose from Slack's predefined statuses or create your own custom message. In the predefined options, you might come across statuses like in a meeting or out sick. For a lunch break, however, we'll focus on setting a custom status. You can do this by selecting an emoji that represents a lunch break. Think along the lines of a fork and knife, a sandwich, or even a coffee cup. Accompany this with a custom message like lunch break or anything that fits your personal style and how you'd like to convey your absence to your colleagues. Next, you'll want to decide on the duration for this status. Look for the Clear After drop-down menu. Here, you can select how long you plan to be away for lunch. Choices range from 30 minutes, 1 hour, until the end of the day, or a custom time that fits your schedule. Selecting a duration not only sets a clear expectation for your return, but also automatically clears your status once the time is up, streamlining interruptions or follow-ups when you return. Finally, once you've customized your status and set the appropriate duration, click the Save button, and voila, your lunch status is now visibly displayed next to your name. This small update informs your team that you're away on a lunch break, helping maintain a smooth workflow and keeping everyone on the same page. Remember that clear communication is key in any team. Setting your lunch status is a tiny task that contributes to the larger picture of workplace efficiency. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough both helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful